Welcome. As previous tests have established, you exhibit an unusual level of enhanced sensory perception.
Hey, you, I can't
Use your
please get
instinct
out of
now
here.
to sense the position and movement of people around you and identify your target.
Port side,
You
now!
have been compromised. Try and lose them and change your disguise.
Calvin Ritter has been killed!
Your target is down. Now head calmly towards an
This is a
exit.
restricted area. Show me your hand. I don't see him. Anyone?
The red car marks your exfiltration point. Simply push the button and you're in the clear. Advanced mission training complete. And may I say, elegantly done, Initiate. I guess my hunch was right about you. I look forward to the final test.